Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how I made this Frosty the Snowman cake. I used a 9-inch round chocolate cake and I used vanilla buttercream to fill the center. And then I cut it right in half and I plopped one half onto the other. Then I flipped it onto the flat side to make kind of a taco shape. Then I'm going to cover it with vanilla buttercream. And I'm going to cover the entire thing with a crumb coat. So this coat, I'm not too worried about it being super smooth. I'm going to chill this for about 15 minutes in the freezer, and then I'm going to add a second coat. Now that I've added the second coat, I'm adding my black fondant eyes, and I just sort of rolled these out and then flattened them. And I used a little Swedish berry for the nose. And for the mouth, I'm just using chocolate chips and just press them right into the buttercream to create your funny little smile that you like. And next, I attempted to make a TOQUE, which is a Canadian word for a knit hat, out of a ice cream cone. So I piped the whole thing and then I was all excited. I was like, this thing is awesome. It's going to be an excellent TOQUE. And then I made a cake ball using a cupcake and some buttercream, and I shaped it using some saran wrap so I wouldn't get yucky fingers. And then I plopped that onto the top. It kind of looked like a big old ball on top of a chimney. It did not really have the correct shape that I wanted, but I persevered. And I used my multi-opening grass tip to pipe a scarf. Then I decided to remove my hat because I was not completely happy with it. I took my offset spatula and carefully removed any of the residue, and then I decided to make another attempt, which looks like a poo right now, I realize, big old turd. But once I piped it with the same piping tip, which is a number 234, it's Wilton brand actually, and piped it all the way up, and it looks kind of like a little knit hat, which is a bit of a better shape than the earlier TOQUE. And then I'm piping the, the trim, and then I just did a little swirly doodly do for the top. And I like this TOQUE way more than the first one. And I think that Frosty turned out really cute. He was very easy to make, and I think he'll be a really cute and happy addition to your holiday table this holiday season. Thanks for watching.